What is up, guys? It's your boy Cosplay Master back with an exciting new episode. Today I show you the med kit I made from Fortnite. It was actually a quite complex and not a complex build at the same time, but it was totally worth it because the med kit I can make now. The chug jug I'm gonna make almost everything I could that belongs to Fortnite. Like in my last one, you saw I made the RPG. The quad launcher. And my art's getting better and better each time. So I want to keep improving it for you guys. Yeah. So yeah, this is the med kit I made from Fortnite. Okay, let's get on the details part. So the red you see here, it was red duct tape. So the white, it was the same. I found more tape. The white 3M electric tape was 69 cents. You could get it at any 99-cent store. I have a store next to me. It's called Amazing Savings, so I decided to get it from there. It's 4 for $3. These 4 for $3. It's worth it. It lasts me about like one project per one of that. But if they're bigger, like the Shield or the Ragnarok, it will last like about 2 to 3. Yeah. I never got a chance to review Vendetta. I will do it as fast as I could. I just need to quickly, because I'm working on Darth Vader right now. And I'm making the RPG also from Fortnite. That will take some time, and I will do it for you guys. And guys, I just also decided to make, this is actually one of my scheduled ones. I am making the jetpack from Fortnite. It will take time, but I will make it. This will all be in my eStay shop, and you guys will have it. Do whatever you want with it. I'm selling them because I'm literally running out of space in my basement in there. Yeah, so make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment down below what else I should make. Do challenges for you, and really need challenges. So the Cosplay Master is out. Fortnite forever.